Eh, alam niyo si Matt yung idol ko talaga sa Dreammaker, guys. Matt Cruz. Siya yung, sa lahat siya yung pinaka-ace. Magaling sumaya si Matt. It's a friend, the king of jungle, we shake the ground. On my way, so take any fire away. Nobody can stop me, run to the end of it. Hero. Hey barbecue, Rose. Oh, thank you, Lance. Tiger, big rock, with this big boss, a sharp claws. Ito na yung video ba yun? I just take my time, do how I want it. If I want it, focus on the enemy. Let the enemy face all your fears, then get at me. Can't stop me, can't stop me. That's my plan to turn my life around. Di ko pa kabisado yung Tiger. My way, so take it far away. Thank you, Vanessa. Guys, kamusta naman kayo? Favorite ko ngayon Tiger, guys. Maganda yung Tiger. Maganda sayaw eh. Bye sa SB19, si Josh. Sino pa ba? Big ground, big boss. Thank you, Lydia. Thank you for sending Rose. Rose. I'm not gonna stop this way. Will I end up on the top? My way. Thank you, Walt Aaron. Thank you po for sending Rose. And Siriu, thank you. Thank you, Maymay. Thank you so much. Bye sa Horizon. Siyempre si Kemi. Rayster King. Kami yung mga tahimik sa interview kasi wala talaga kaming masabi. Steven, thank you. Kami yung wala talaga masabi kaysa magsabi kami ng di namin feel na sabihin. Kaya, pero kapag sa stage, tagbibigay naman kami. Ito yung favorite ko din. Hello Angel, thank you for sending Rose again. And who's Garcia, thank you for heart.
At bago natin makilala ang Dream 7 ngayong gabi, we will celebrate how far our Dream Chasers have come. Kaya muling ibibida ng
Anka, thank you. Nikki Yoji, thank you. Nikki Yoji. Thank you Ate Yen, thank you din.
Pinagkaguluhan at
Always make me move. Nakamiss yung ibang Dreammaker, Dream Chaser. Sila Panpan, Josh Worsley. Si Ele, andito na eh, kasama. Thank you so much, Olano. Thanks. Right here, take my heart, baby. Big rings for you, it's classy. Thank you, Rona, and thank you, Richard. Thank you so much for us. Sino nga yung isa nito? Kalimutan ko. Crazy. Si Anjo pala. Nakamiss din si Anjo. Alam nyo guys, sa Dreammaker, kasi yung mga friend ko talaga doon, sila ni Kerwin, Lem, ito na yung Binay. Si Aya, Bini Aya. Cute ni Bini Mika. Parang long hair pa to si Gwen Ate Gwen. Thank you, Lance. Mahal, baby. Bahas ko talaga si Maloy at saka si Gwen sa Bini. Yes, boss, nasa Pilipinas ako ngayon. You are my mind, girl, I can't let go. I look into your eyes and you're doing the same. I see your open arms, even though you're sleeping back. Hello. Guys, tanong kayo, ano yung pwede nyo matanong? Sasagutin ko. Di pa rin napapansin. Sino ba yun? Hello, Noreen. Thank you sa sending rose again. Mona Lisa dance cover. Paano yung Mona Lisa ni Mona Lisa? You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow skies. And the only prayer is that you realize. Alam niyo yung kanta na yun? Hindi niyo alam, no? Kasi luma yun.
I like my girls be so fun. One plus the nine. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls be in the face.
Hindi ko to alam eh.
Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation. Be so fun.
Wait lang. Medyo, konting aral lang. Medyo jacket mo na sa feel. Feel yung vibe. Wait lang.
Girls be so fun. One plus the nine. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls pretty in the face. Art is the fame. Mona
ba?
yeah, I need you. I like my girls looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation. Pretty so fun. One plus the nine.
Dito.
I get me going, might just blow it. I like my
Left,
girls.
right. Stand up. Tug ka. Ta. Wait lang. Maliit lang yung space ng room. Background. Di ko alam to eh. Na yan. Tug.
I like my girls be so fun. One plus the nine. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls pretty in the face. Art is the fame. Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation.
Pagod na ako.
Pretty so fun. One plus the nine. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls.
Pwede pala sa Ganda pala nito sa'yo. Wait lang.
I like my girls be so fun. One plus the nine. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls pretty in the face. Art is the fame. Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls looking just like a painting.
Ay,
Don't need no validation. Pretty so fine, one plus the nine. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls,
eh.
I like my girls. I like my girls. And then a track, got it on the track. By the way you look, yeah, you about to cut the rack. Yes, you know I'm
Ganda nito.
step up
Tug,
my
tug,
neck.
tug, ka,
Don't she hold me down? She's so
ka,
sexy, I'm obsessed.
ka. Dito. Ito, bulat. Tak,
Love the way you take the stress and leave me open.
ka.
Cause she bad and she know
Ka.
me, yeah, that's all me. And with the
And
devil that you're strong, yeah, she's sparkling. Yeah, you got me all in. Bad, 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 I know your ex is calling.
Hirap ng timing
When you
nito.
look, I understand the hype. You know you're just my type. Gotta get you cause you know just what I like. I like my girls, they so fun. One plus the nine. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls pretty in the face. Art is the frame. Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls looking just like a painting. Don't need no validation. Pretty so fine, one plus the nine. I get me going, might just blow it. I like my girls.
Pagod na ako.
I like my girls.
Tita Weng, thank you so much. Ria, thank you.
I like my
Okay.
girls. I like.
Saya pala nito. Ano yung una? Tug, tug. Then, face pa to. Nakalimutan ko na agad. Ano pa ba yung maganda? Yung kay ano eh, kay Jenny, feel ko, kaya ko naman sa'yo yun. Natamad lang ako. BTS. Karon. Thank you, Jin
At bago natin makilala ang Dream
Jinshin.
7 ngayong gabi, we will celebrate how
Grabe, hindi na ako
far our
makapag, ano. Ooh. Di rin na lang guro sa, ano. Di rin. Friend ng kuga. Bro.
영원할 줄 알았던 사람도 전부 이젠 그난 친구마저
Favorite ko to sa Big Bang eh.
Going down 더 씩씩하게 말을 걸어 넌 저기 시시한 I don't wanna go too fast No
Thank you, Ate Mai. Wala, ang gulo na ng buhok ko. Sorry.
Yeah I got need some time But I can't get you out of my mind
Ngayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Kyrie, thank you so much. Thank you, Ria. Cold tutorial. Sige. Oo nga pala, hindi pa ako marami na akong ginawa pero di ako nakapag-cold. Cold Horizon. Wait lang. Tuk. Dito yun eh. Tak, ka. 1 and 2. Yan. Yun lang siya. Tapos na. You're so cold. Then tap, 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 tap. Dapat parang ganun. Tak, 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 tak. Then go cold. Chat. Chat. Then 2. Back. Suddenly say goodbye to the sunrise. Lips blue, no matter what I say, we can't go back, doesn't matter what I say. Oh, oh, without you, life's rough, both of us don't know how. Into one cold-blooded DNA. You know. Thank you, Marianne. Forget about our days. Ito. Maganda yun ko. Feelings turn this cold. When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body numb. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes so warm, like the sun before. You're so cold. Tap, tap, hey. Cold, cool, tap, cool. Ice cream. Boom. You're so cold. Those eyes are warm like the sun before. You're so cold. Thank you, Pau Pau. Thank you. Wow, grabe. Thank you so much. May ice cream at saka rose. Hey, Kay. Thank you so much, Kay. Nuna, thank you for the rose. Nagdumi na si Kyoshi, naamoy ko na siya. When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes so warm, like the sun before. You're so cold. Hey. You're so cold. Ay, mali ako. So warm like the sun before. How did our feelings turn this cold? When you smile, it gives me chills. It takes one touch to make my body know. Temperatures dropping as we speak. Hands are freezing when I see those eyes so warm, like the sun before. Nung Dream Maker, ano ba yun? Thank you, Lynn. Nung Dream Maker. Mahirap mag-Tagalog. Mahirap ako magsalita talaga, guys. Totoo lang. Totoong buhay yan. Mahirap ako magsalita. Congrats. Sino ba yun? Thank you, Ate Mai. Pate. Congrats na lang sa'yo. Congratulations. Nahirapan ako sa pick. Cho. Game, anong kinanta mo? Also, yung may and realize. Hindi ko alam eh. Angas ni Jay. Something. Thank you, Lynn.
This Romeo is bleeding, but you can't see his blood. There's nothing but
Thank you, Lian. Thank you, Angel Obin.
it's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. You see, I'm always been a fighter, but without you,
Ang bawal ng ano mo. Si Arka.
no, I
Yo.
can't sing a love song like the way it's meant to be.
Pabilog na pabilog
Well,
ka.
I guess I'm not that good anymore, but baby, that's just me. I will love you, baby. Always and
Thank you, Ate Mai. Thank you po sa pagtambay dito. Thank you, Rona, Vanna. Thank you so much. Galing na naman ni Kuya Jay.
over different lives, I'm the latest there something made us cry? One that made you have to say goodbye.
Alam mo yun.
What a gift to all my
Hello, Machi. Hello.
touch your lips to hold you near.
Napapansin. Wait, ang bilis ng ano. Likes lang kayo, guys. Hello, Charlie, thank you.
When he holds you close,
Marami talaga akong na-miss ng mga tao.
when he says the words you've been needing to hear, I wish I was him.
Charlie, thank you.
So much to say to you to the end of time that I will love you, baby.
Pogi ni Jay.
Always and I'll be there forever and a day. Always. If you told me to cry for you, I could. If you told me to die for
Thank you, Chen. Basa in iPhone si Jake at saka si Sun.
look in my face, there's no price
Charlie, thank you. Zai, thank you. Thank you. Na-miss ko na mag-gitara. Sino na-miss ko? Wala. Hello, Zelen. Thank you so much. Anchor Neil? Neil ba to? Ay, Anchor Neil. Thank you so much. Wannabe. Thank you for sending gift. Flex your favorite shoes. May bago akong sapatos eh. Bigay kahapon. From Tita Meds. Ito. Feel ko magiging favorite ko na to siya. Ganda. Ay, nung mayong gabi. Wait lang, magbabasa na ako ng comments, guys. Feel ko marami nang nag-ano eh. Marami nang nagtatampo sa akin. Namiss ko na mga mag-gitara. Oh, thank you, Yang. Thank you. Hello, Yang. Nakikita ko ata yung mga videos mo na-edit. Hindi ko alam. Parang nakita ko. May nakakita. Yamos Anchor, Daniel. Yes, namamansin ako. Thank you, Ate Mai. Parang love ako ni Tita Maya. Ate Mai. Hello, Jillian. Bana, thank you so much. Hello, Aza. Thank you, Aza. Si Aza din nakikita ko yan, yung mga edits niya sa akin. Thank you, Aza. And Cornel, thank you din. How's life? Masaya naman. I'm good. Shout out sa kay Sir J. Hello, Charlie Matt. Thank you, Matcha, Charlie Matcha. Thank you, Ate Maymay. Taga saan po kayo, Ate Maymay? Ito yung favorite ko na performance sa K-pop. The Rain, thank you. Thank you so much for sending Rose. Darling. The Rain, Only Dan. Thank you for the rose. It's GD, baby. Thank you, Mike Lee. Thank you so much. Justin, hello. Feel love you, baby. Bang. Hey, yeah. I'm ready for this. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Hey. Noray, thank you. Thank you again. Jillian, thank you. Ano pa ba yung pwede kong masabi, guys? Hello, Abby Kim. How are you? Kilala kita. Thank you, Noray. Let's go! Namamansin ako, hindi ko lang makita yung mga name. Hey, hey, hey. Cool. Yeah, ako lang mag-isa dito. Kailan ulit ikaw mag-live? Depende. Baka bukas din ako magla-live. Thank you, Anchor Neil. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, thank you so much. Baka bukas, depende. Depende sa mood kung magla-live ako. Pero pag magla-live ako, mga 7 or 8, ganun. Let the bass drop. Harry, thank you so much. Hey. Let the bass drop. Bang, 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 bang. Spider. Thank you so much, Spider. Sending Rose Spider. Thank you, Ria. Wow. It's Tame, baby. To, SB19. Ganto. Na-perform namin to nung first concert eh. Wait lang, nakalimutan ko yung ano eh. Live ng Gento. Boom. Oh, thank you, Mike Lee. Thank you so much. I want some, get some later. Oh, thank you, Mike. Good karma shit with major. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics nito eh. Nakalimutan ko. See, oh good shit. Thank you, Justin. Can you see marumi? Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Justin. Sobrang napaka-approachable talaga ni Kuya Stel sa SB19. tsaka si Josh. Josh Cullen. Sobrang napaka-approachable. Si, nonchalant si Justin. Nakasmile lang palagi. Oh, thank you, Tita Meds. Justin, thank you. Si Pablo parang nag-observe siya lagi sa amin. Tapos tinatanong niya kami bakit isa. Parang ganun si si Kuya Ken parang seryoso sang tao. Yeah. Tapos lagi lang siyang tumatawa. Thank you Ulano, thank you so much. Ano nga yung ganito?
Di ko na kailangan lumunok ng bako.
Ay, ganito pala. May...
Makita ko, tanging mekaniko. Ay ako, lana mori-mori ko. Sa daming pinagdaanan, nagbato ng story ko. Show sa mga chismoso, halina't pumalik na rito. Oh, di naman talaga madali. Hindi ko pa manood, hindi. Talaga ng mga tagumpag, beke, manan kong di pa listo. Laging na listo, kahit pa sinisto. Lupong na bisto, nabilis ko.
Oh, thank you, Baby Muro. Thank you so much, Tita Meds. Thank you. Thank you, Rock. Thank you so much. Nagulat ako sa ano mo ah. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Nahiya ako mag-ento. Nakalimutan ko yung step. Ay, ganito. Ito. Kalimutan ko na. Ganito. Oh, thank you, Rack. Thank you so much. Gusto ko aralin yung dam eh. Dam. Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Dam. Anong pakiramdam? Lalim nun. Dam. Wait lang. Anong sayo nila? Ito, All Out Sunday. Paano kaya? Parang may ganun.
Ano pakiramdam? Bumalik sa kalawang gamatan. Di pa sapat ang tamang katapusan. Dito
Yayain ko si Jiro magdam.
tinipon, kahit tutikman at proud na di ko. Ayaw tagusan, kapunaw kamalan.
Justin, thank you. Charlie, Matt, thank you. Bias ko ulit sa si Josh Cullen. Thank you, Rack. Bukas try ko i-TikTok yan. Kasama ko si Jiro ulit.
Dam, anong dam? Anong pakiramdam?
Lakas ng SB19 talaga. Yung lagi kong pinapanood yung tawag nito? Yung Watson's playlist namin. Watson. Ganda nun eh. Kasama namin Alamat at saka SB19, Kaya, G22, G22, Pinky May, thank you for sending Rose, and RC, thank you so much. Lance, thank you po. Ate Mai, thank you. Look at you, boom. Ah. Ay. Ganun ba? Look at you. Halimaw talaga yung SB9. Look, it's heavy. Stop this your gasolina, yeah, I'm finally got, yeah, you to turn up the heat. Tired, what time? Look at you. Thank you, Lance. That I'm always ready. Yeah. Hey, stop. Dito pa. Yeah, you got some. Killer, I'm killing you. Horizon. Nah. Thank you, Rek. Hello, Ate Jessa. Mag-end live ako mamaya. Mga 8:55. Sobrang payat ko dito. Ngayon ata nasa 55 kilo na ako eh. Ito 46, 47. Hello, thank you. It's me, Jessa. Thank you, Ate Jessa. Thank you po. Soon mag-ML ako. Mag-try ko mag-stream dito sa TikTok. Well, thank you, thank you. Thank you po, Rona Olano. Thank you, Rak. Wait lang. Lakas ko pala dito sumayaw. Parang di ako nauubusan ng energy. Hey, hey. Wala akong ginagawa, ba't ang cute ko agad? Alamat. Handa, rap.